to our look at the upcoming July 15th trading session. In front of you, I have the economic calendar as usual. We do have quite a bit of market moving events coming out of both the United States and the United Kingdom. And as a result, we are looking for movement in both the pound, the FTSE, U.S. stock markets, and the U.S. dollar in general. With that being said, we look at the market and we recognize that the unemployment numbers coming out of the United Kingdom, of course, will move the FTSE and the British pound. We expect a lot of volatility in both of those markets. The United States releases the PMI and industrial production. Those are more or less stock market moving events more than anything else, but they do have an effect on the U.S. dollar. The Canadians, of course, have an interest rate announcement, and that is pretty big, as you would expect for the Canadian dollar. And then finally, the last thing we're paying attention to is the crude oil inventories number out of the United States. That will directly affect the WTI grade markets. You can see that the Dow Jones 30 has had a fairly quiet session, just simply grinding away at the very highs. That's not a huge surprise, quite frankly. This is a positive sign, so any pullback should find plenty of buying pressure as the market's just simply comfortable to sit up here. That's very positive after two very impulsive blue candles. So with that, we are buyers on call. We are call buyers on pullbacks, and we of course are buyers on a break above the 18,000 handle. The FTSE has done much the same during the session as the Dow. We are staying near high levels. We think the 6,700 level below is supportive, as is the bottom of this hammer from the light candle from the previous session. So really, we think pullbacks all the way to at least 6,600 should be well supported, and that there should be buyers going forward. So we are call buyers. Speaking of the Canadian dollar, as it is a pretty significant news day for Canada, the 128 level continues to be massive resistance, and we are forming yet another resistant candle. However, we are not willing to buy puts. We think that the market's just simply going to drop a little bit to try to pick up momentum. So pullbacks offer call buying opportunities for us as long as we stay above about 1.2650. Of course, a break above 1.28 is a very bullish sign, and we are call buyers there as well. With that, we've taken a look at the July 15th trading session.